Imagine if your future self could talk to you today. What would your future self say about your money choices? Most Americans have stopped saving money for their own future. They earn good money, but still end up with nothing. You might think high living costs stop you from saving. People think their paycheck is too small to save money. The truth is very different from what most people believe. Your income is not the real reason you cannot save. Spending your money has become very easy in modern times. Modern apps and cards make spending feel almost painless now. In the past, saving money happened automatically through company pensions. Your grandparents had pensions that saved money for them automatically. Today, you must choose to save money every single time, but spending happens with just one tap on your phone. That is the real reason many people stop saving money. You see something nice and you buy it right away. There is no time to think about saving that money. Credit cards let you buy now and pay much later. Buy now, pay later apps make big purchases seem affordable. Social media shows you things you never knew you wanted. Targeted ads follow you everywhere on your phone and computer. One-click buying on websites removes all the usual friction. Subscriptions renew automatically every month without any action from you. You forget about them until you see the charge appear. Small daily expenses add up to hundreds of dollars monthly. That money could have been growing in your savings account. You may not realize how much you spend each day. Your daily coffee habit costs over $100 monthly. The money you save every month grows into thousands later. This is how small daily choices steal your future wealth. Eating out drains your bank account faster than you expect. Your phone upgrades cost thousands of dollars every 2 years. Streaming services you rarely use still take your money monthly. Unused gym memberships waste your hard-earned money every month. Impulse buys of clothes add up very quickly without notice. Taking trips on credit makes your debt grow larger fast. Small leaks in your budget stop wealth from building up. You can change this pattern starting today with simple steps. Track where your money goes every month to see truth. Write down every purchase you make for 1 full week. Check your bank app and add up all small spends. You will be surprised by how much money leaks out. Your spending habits are the real reason, not your income. Your spending habits were shaped by easy apps and ads. Companies design apps to make you spend without second thought. They profit when you spend, but not when you save. That is why saving feels hard while spending feels natural. You have to fight the system to save your money. Fighting every day is tiring, so most people give up. The good news is you can make saving automatic instead. Your morning coffee and bagel cost you $50 weekly. That weekly amount adds up to over $2,000 yearly. $2,000 saved yearly grows into much more later. Your lunch at work every day costs you another $2,000. Cooking at home instead would save you that money easily. Your streaming subscriptions cost you over $100 monthly. Cancel the ones you do not watch to save that money. Your online shopping carts fill up with things you do not need. Leaving items in the cart for a day helps you resist. Credit card rewards make you spend more to get points, but the interest you pay costs more than the rewards give. Buy now, pay later splits payments, but you still spend more. You end up buying things you would have skipped with cash. Cash makes you feel the pain of spending your money. Cards and apps remove that pain so you spend more freely. That is the hidden reason your savings account stays empty. Your future dreams like a house or early retirement suffer. A house down payment seems impossible with current saving habits, but small changes in daily habits can make it possible. Saving just $5 a day adds up to $1,800 yearly. $1,800 saved yearly can grow with time. In 10 years, that habit can give you a nice sum. Your money makes more money when it sits in savings untouched. That's called compound growth, and it works for you. But you must start the habit before it can work magic. Most people never start, so they never see the magic happen. You can be different by starting your automatic savings today. Set up a transfer from checking to savings on payday. Even $20 per week will grow into real money fast. The key is to save before you see the money to spend. Open a high-yield savings account at your bank this week. Make the account hard to access so you don't touch it. Set up automatic transfer of a small amount every payday. Start with whatever amount you can afford without feeling pain. Increase the amount slowly as you get used to the habit. Review all your subscriptions and cancel the ones you rarely use. Check your bank statement for forgotten charges you can stop. Use cash for your daily coffee and lunch for 1 month. You will spend less when you feel the cash leaving your hand. Wait 24 hours before making any purchase over $50. That waiting period kills most impulse buys completely. Cook simple meals at home instead of ordering food delivery. Home cooking saves money and often tastes better than delivery. Find free activities like walks in the park with your family. Free fun replaces expensive outings that drain your savings. Sell items you no longer use to bring in extra cash. Put that extra cash straight into your new savings account. Talk to your friends about saving goals to stay motivated. Avoid friends who encourage constant spending on nights out. Your environment affects your habits more than you might realize. Change your phone settings to limit shopping app notifications. Unfollow accounts on social media that make you want to buy. Follow accounts that teach simple saving and money tips instead. Read one money book or watch one video every single week. Learning more makes you better at making smart money choices. Celebrate small wins like your first month of automatic saving. Seeing your savings number go up feels better than new stuff. Your stress about money will go down as savings go up. You will sleep better knowing you are building a safety net. A safety net gives you options when life throws surprises. You can handle car repairs without going into debt again. You can take time off work without financial panic. Your kids can see you as a money role model. They will learn good habits by watching what you do daily. Your relationship with money will become peaceful instead of stressful. You will feel proud every time you check your growing savings. That pride is better than the short thrill of buying things. The thrill of buying fades fast, but savings last for years. Your future self will thank you for every small choice. Start today, and in 1 year, you will not believe the change. In 1 year, you could have several $1,000s saved up. That money can be used for a dream vacation you earn. Or it can be a down payment on a reliable car. Or it can be an emergency fund that gives peace of mind. In 5 years, your savings can be enough for a house down payment. In 10 years, you could have enough to change your life. You could work less or start a small business you love. You could help your parents or kids with their money needs. You could retire years earlier than you ever thought possible. All because you made saving automatic instead of spending automatic. The real reason was easy spending, but now you know better. You know that automatic saving beats automatic spending every time. Make your savings transfer happen before you can spend the money. Treat saving like a bill you must pay to your future self. Your future self deserves that payment more than any store does. Every dollar you save today is a gift to your tomorrow. Every dollar you spend today is gone forever from your future. Choose the gift to your tomorrow as often as you can. Small choices every day lead to big results over many years. You do not need a big income to build big wealth. You need consistent small actions that anyone can do, starting now. The cartoon characters in this video show how simple it can be. They show the before and after of changing your money habits. You can be the hero of your own money story too. Start with tracking your spending for just 1 week this month. Then set up one automatic transfer no matter how small it is. Then cancel one subscription you do not really need or use. Then use cash for 1 week to feel every dollar you spend. These 4 steps will put you on the path to success. Your savings will start growing and your confidence will grow too. Share this video with a friend who needs to hear this message. Talking about money with others makes the journey less lonely. You can support each other in building better money habits together. Remember that progress is not perfect and small steps count most. If you slip one day, just start again the next day. Your future self does not care about perfect, it cares about consistent. Consistent, small actions beat big plans that never get started. You have everything you need to start your savings journey today. The only thing missing was knowing the real reason until now. Now you know, and you can take action with clear eyes. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up now. Liking the video helps more people see these simple money tips. Subscribe to the channel for new videos every week on money. We make complex money topics simple with fun cartoon stories. Comment below with one thing you will do to save more. Reading your comments motivates us to make more helpful videos. It will help you track your spending in a simple way. Use it for 1 week and see where your money goes. You are capable of building the financial future you dream about. It starts with understanding why saving felt so hard before. Now you know it was the system, not your willpower. Change the system by making saving the automatic choice. Your bank account will thank you, and so will your future. Start small, but start today, because tomorrow is not guaranteed. Every day you wait is a day your money could be growing. Take action now and thank yourself for the rest of your life. Your future self is already smiling at the changes you will make. See you in the next video and keep saving for your dreams.